All right, $160 for an after-hours party. And to be perfectly honest, I'm not sure if it was totally worth it or not, but I will say the vibes were high, the food was all right, and my kids had an amazing time. Why don't you come check it out and decide for yourself?
I have to say straight away that Dollywood definitely didn't just phone this in. It's not just string lights and glow necklaces. Dollywood put some real production into this party. All right, I would show you more of the party, but honestly, it's a bunch of kids in bathing suits, and I'm not really comfortable doing that. So let's go eat. Nashville hot at a water park leaves me skeptical to say the least. 'Cause real Nashville hot is a specific cayenne forward burn that builds over time. My guess is it's going to be more orange tinted chicken than anything else. But yeah, like I said before, I got flavored chicken tenders, which aren't the most exciting food in the world, but Nashville hot is either going to prove me right or it's going to make me look like an idiot.
All right, time for that first bite. Mm. Is it Nashville hot chicken hot? It's not. That being said, it's delicious. You taste a ton of spice in here. Chili pepper, cayenne, paprika. You really taste the oil. There is a little citrus in there to give it a little balance. Really, really good for swimming pool tenders. Off the charts. All right, and to go with those Nashville hot chicken tenders, we have your Firecracker fries. So they are French fries, cheese sauce, bacon bits, scallions, classic. Well, they're fine. Cheese sauce is pretty good. Honestly, there's not too much to say about these. Cheese sauce is good. Bacon is crunchy. Scallions are cut huge. Theme park fries.
Like I said, I'm not going to linger on it too much, but I did want to touch on the wave party pool because it was one of the most fun parts of the whole party. My son Archie and my son Oliver were in the wave pool almost the whole night. The DJ kept everybody super entertained. Honestly, a huge, huge addition to the party. Probably our favorite.
All right, so now I'm gonna try a bear paw, which is, if you are as ignorant as I am, is fried dough. This is the hot honey chicken bear paw. So it's gonna be hot grilled chicken, hot honey, buffalo sauce, mozzarella, red onion, all on top of some fried dough. This is like the most unhealthy pizza you could possibly eat. Oh my God. Way more flavor than the Nashville hot chicken tenders had. The crunch on the dough holds up, even with all these toppings on top. The buffalo sauce is a little sweet. You taste the butter. Taste difference, red hot. Honestly, this is not disappointing. It's kind of messy at a water park, and it's definitely not convenient to eat, but it is delicious and filling, I'm sure.
If you want to know exactly what's worth your money before you actually spend $1, subscribe. I do this for every festival and every event.
All right, so one disappointment for the night was that they didn't have the Neon Nights specific Dippin' Dots left. It was only 9 o'clock, so that's a bit of a disappointment. Only an hour and a half in to the event, and they ran out of it, but that's okay. We got the marshmallow, the s'more bear paw. So again, fried dough, Nutella, mushrooms. It's a s'more pizza. I have a feeling this is going to be incredible. This is the thing that Archer is definitely the most excited for.
What?
Archer, you gotta try this. Oliver, you gotta try it. Exactly as advertised. Fried dough, amazing Nutella. It's the perfect little treat. It's Nutella. We ran a pizza place together, and we used to do a Nutella pizza, and it was pizza dough puffed up, hollowed out with Nutella and mushrooms, just like this. This has very fond memories coming back to me. This one's for Andre.
All right, if we're in the rankings game, and I guess we are, I would start off with number 1 being the Nutella pizza, number 2 being the hot honey chicken pizza, number 3 being the Nashville hot chicken tenders, 4th being the French fries. But in all honesty, don't come to this party for the food.
Well, that wraps it up for our first Neon Nights, our first after hours event. Oliver, how'd they do? Good. I think they did a good job too. Vibes were high, great party. I liked all the lights. It was more than just string lights. They had some really cool color changing lights, color changing rocks. A lot of fun.